What up, guys? Happy Sunday fun day. Go Packers, even though the Packers lost. But anyways, I'm back. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're doing for this week here for Forex. So we are looking to buy the US dollar index. The index has gone up back to 105.2. Looking forward to break 106. And then the next move would be to break 107 and then 108. And so far it has been uptrending ever since the bottom price of 99 here, the very bottom here. So I would pay close attention what's going to happen for, get this set up here. What we got going on? We have the FOMC. They don't plan on raising rates for this quarter. And that would be, hold on, I'm looking at 5.5. So they're not going to raise it. Probably looking for the US dollar to come back down. I'll probably end up selling it if they don't plan on raising rates or any positive projections for the Federal Reserve and what they plan on doing for Wednesday here. Pay close attention to the press conference, which is at 1:30 Eastern time here. So other than that, let's get to it here. So back to the weekly swing signals and the weekly analysis. Buying the US dollar for this week. Anything could switch up on Wednesday because of the fact that the Federal Reserve is not planning to raise rates. So pay close attention on Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday morning, all the way to Wednesday afternoon. 4-day reversal. We were looking to sell US 30, the S&P 500, and NAS 100. So be looking for these three indices go back down. I'd be looking to sell this back down 34,000. And then we'll see how much more it's going to drop back below 34,000. S&P, looking for S&P to come back down to 4,300 to 4,200. And then for NAS 100, NASDAQ here, selling NASDAQ back down to 15,000 and then break 15,000 back to 14,600. Gold, looking to sell gold back down. I don't expect too much of a move here for gold unless something major happens, which is Wednesday, for the interest rate decision to be stabilized at 5.5, and they don't plan on having anything for positive remarks or positive highlights for the Federal Reserve and for the economy. That we'd be looking to buy gold back up. So that would be the best. That would be the move there for Wednesday. I'm looking to short this back down to 1900 and then break 1900 to 1890. UJ, buying UJ here for the break 148 back to 149. And so we're looking for 148 to 149 and then break the wick up to 151, which is close to 152 here. So that'd be the next big move here. Euro, looking for Euro to come down to, we're going to be shorting this pair, selling it back down to 106 and then break 106 back to 105. And then for Euro British Pound, we are buying this pair to go back to 87. And then after that, we'll see if it makes a move back to 88. Selling the pound, looking for the pound break back down below here at 124. Hold on, let's see where I don't know, 120, 120, 123 back down to 122. And then we'll see how much more of a downtrend this is going to create. Buying U-Swiss, looking for the Swiss franc to hit above 90, and then the next move would be to break 91. Okay, so we are selling UCAD. UCAD is the only one of the very few US dollar pairs that has been going down. So not really falling a whole lot for the DXY here in correlation. Don't look at the correlation set up here along with the DXY. So it's been on a bearish move since last week, and major resistance is at the 136. So looking for it to come back down to 135 to 134. Let's see here. For Australia and the New Zealand dollar are going to be selling mean, yeah, selling both these pairs. I'd be looking for the Australian dollar to come back down to 64, break down to 63, and then for the New Zealand dollar to break down back to 58, and then looking for a massive move, come down all the way back down to 56 and 55, but that would be long term there. So, possible reversals on Wednesday because of the funds rate, the FOMC statement, and the press conference. So pay close attention to what's going to happen on Wednesday, on the 20th during New York sessions. Any questions, concerns regarding to the analysis on the weekly signals and the weekly analysis, let me know in the chat group. Other than that, happy Sunday fun and peace out, guys. All right, guys, finally back. I'm going to talk about what we're going to be doing for this week here. Let's get to it. Happy Sunday fun day to all you guys here. So we will be looking to sell all the cryptocurrencies here for this week. As you guys can see on my watch list, everything is negative in percentage loss here. Looking for Bitcoin to come back down to 26,000. And there's a lot of consolidation at 26, down back to 25,000 here. For Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to come back down to break 1,600, back down to 1,550. That'd be the next move here. Break 1,550, back down to 1,500. Litecoin, selling Litecoin for it to come back down to 60 to 58. Selling Shiba, looking for the Shiba coin, go back down to the 717 mark here, and then we'll see how much more it's going to drop. We're going to sell Dogecoin back down to right at 6, 60 and the 5.9 here. That's all we're looking at. There's just a lot of consolidation for this coin. Ripple, looking for Ripple to come back down to 47 to 46 cents and break that support at 46 back down to 40. Neo, looking to sell Neo back down to $7 and then break $7 back down to $6.55 here on the wick here at the very bottom. Dash, looking for Dash to come down to 25 and then break 25 down to 22. And then that would be the next move break from 22 to 20. Selling Solana, the coin here for 17. And then the next move would be 16. Okay, so for Zcash, looking for Zcash come down to 25 and then 24. And then for Tezos, looking for Tezos to come back down to break 63. And then the next move would be 60. Other than that, that's all I expect is a drive back down for all the cryptocurrencies and for the remainder of this week here. So any other questions or concerns or comments in regards to the signals or the weekly analysis, let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the chat group. Peace!